Did you know our school, Scarborough Public School, has the best P&C ever?
Our P&C do so much for our school, including providing funds to buy important resources for us students.
Some of the amazing things that the P&C have paid for are the silver seats, library resources, our playground, SLSOs and Mrs. Morgan, air conditioning, Chromebooks, iPads, DFID, our art program, class furniture, and the staff room fridge.
That's amazing, aren't we lucky? Scarborough parents and community members, please keep a lookout for ways you can get involved for fundraising for our school.
Information will be available soon.